1345 crankshaft sensor, camshaft sensor position. That's the code that everybody gets. Let's turn this buzzing bell off. That's the code that everybody gets. Everybody. If they ever pull their distributor and they don't mark it before they pull it in order to put it right back in the same place, you're going to get this code. Because the computer on these spider injected Vortecs, they always correct the time no matter what, but what happens is when the distributor's twisted, it's the cam retard. So, unless you have like a $2,000 scanner or something from the dealership that can read cam retard, you're actually not going to be able to put a light on the engine and set the timing. So what's going to happen? I found a video on YouTube. I'm going to try it to see if it works or not. And it involves drilling holes in my distributor cap. So let's see what we can get happening here. Got my cap off, and what we're going to do is drill holes right through here, through here, through here, through here, and through here. And we're going to not hit any of these channels right here where the little like metal paths to carry the spark are. And that'll allow us, once we put it back on the engine and start it, to be able to look at the spark itself as it travels around the distributor. So I got everything, everything's plugged back in on the distributor with the holes drilled into it. I'm going to start this thing up and then crawl in here and see if I can't show you guys what it looks like. Okay, here we are running. And I can't see nothing. Oh my God. Oh, I can see something. Let's see if I can show it to you. You see, there it is. See, now I can see my spark angle. A little bit. It's getting really hard to do. So that spark angle is what we're looking for right there. And you see mine's way off. And whenever the engine stumbles, it flashes bright orange. Alright, so let's get this loose and reset this crap. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'll clarify with a voiceover or title later. With this Vortec airbox in the way, I could not see a thing. So what I did was take it off, and I plugged it off with some heavy-duty plastic. We're going to run this again so we can see directly down in the distributor and get a good view of what's happening. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to require to have both hands available. I'm going to loosen the distributor. Robert's going to rev the engine and he's going to hold it at a steady 1,000 RPM. And then what I'm going to do is to adjust the distributor until the spark is straight across from each other. If you notice, whenever we were filming just now, everything was running at an angle this way. We want it to be vertical, straight perpendicular from the rotor across to the contact point. So let's see if how bad we can get shocked. We got it licked. I've got no code. I got no check engine light. All right, now check this out. We're gonna go. Y'all remember how the spark was reaching far across, long-wise, in order to reach its point that it had to jump to? Well, this is amazing. Now, if I can get it on camera, you'll see how very little to no jumping it needs to do. Let's see. There's the sparks. All right, see that? There you go. Give me $1 grand. When Robert goes to 1,000 RPM, see how the spark shortens up and it's almost across? Well, I don't know if he's at 1,000 or not. Are you at 1,000? That's pretty damn close. I might want to adjust some more though. But there's no check engine light. There's no check engine light on it. We haven't drove it around yet. And there's still no check engine light. Still no check engine light. All right, I'm gonna double check this madness, and I think we just set the we just cleared our 1345 code on this Chevy Vortec by drilling out windows. So let's double check and we'll get back to it. All right, well, there you go, folks. I got it even closer and closer than before. I think go ahead and fire it up one more time, Robert. Why not show the folks? We're gonna lock this down right here, and I'm calling this good. It starts with the touch of the key. We have no engine light. You can't feel it idle whatsoever. It's just fantastic. And then if you go in here, now look how short, where's it at? There it is. Look how short that spark is now. That is how you tell you're in time visually on a Vortec V8 with a spider injection. You drill some freaking holes in your distributor cap and you just turn the son of a bitch until you can see it. So that's it. If you don't have a scanner and you want to time your Vortec after you've done your engine work, you need to keep your distributor cap around with these holes drilled in it so you can set it. I'm going to put all this back together and go for a test drive. All right, well, that concludes this incredibly short episode of BeckBuilt, because basically the whole purpose of this video was to show you how to time a Vortec spider injected engine without having to have a scanner. So, on that note, I hope this video helped you out and love what you do. I feel bad for your son. I got 99 sockets, but a 10